Welcome to the House of Cars. Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to the House of Cars, your ultimate destination for all things automotive. Today, we're diving into the world of hybrids with an in-depth look at the 2024 Honda Accord Hybrid. Honda has long been a leader in the hybrid segment, and the latest Accord Hybrid is no exception. It combines style, efficiency, and advanced technology in a package that's hard to beat. So, let's get into what makes the 2024 Honda Accord Hybrid a standout in its class. Sleek and modern design. The 2024 Honda Accord Hybrid carries forward the Accord's reputation for elegant and sophisticated design. Its sleek lines and aerodynamic profile give it a sporty yet refined look. The front end features a bold grille flanked by sharp LED headlights that provide excellent visibility and a modern aesthetic. The smooth, flowing lines extend along the sides to the rear, where stylish LED taillights and a subtle spoiler complete the design. The Accord Hybrid's exterior is designed not just to turn heads, but also to enhance aerodynamic efficiency, contributing to its impressive fuel economy. Efficient and powerful performance. Under the hood, the 2024 Accord Hybrid features Honda's latest hybrid powertrain technology. It combines a 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle four-cylinder engine with two electric motors, delivering a combined output of 212 horsepower. This setup ensures a smooth and responsive driving experience, with plenty of power for highway merging and overtaking. The Accord Hybrid's electronic continuously variable transmission, ECVT, optimizes efficiency and performance, providing seamless power delivery. Luxurious and comfortable interior. Step inside the 2024 Accord Hybrid, and you'll find a spacious and luxurious cabin that's designed for comfort and convenience. High-quality materials, including soft-touch surfaces and premium upholstery, create an upscale feel. The front seats are power-adjustable and offer heating and ventilation options, ensuring comfort in any weather. The rear seats provide ample legroom and headroom, making the Accord Hybrid a great option for families or those who frequently travel with passengers. The cabin is also designed to be quiet and serene, thanks to active noise cancellation and sound-insulating materials, creating a peaceful environment for all occupants. Advanced technology and connectivity. The 2024 Honda Accord Hybrid is packed with the latest technology to keep you connected and entertained on the go. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a large 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless integration with your smartphone. The digital instrument cluster provides customizable information at a glance, while the available head-up display projects key information onto the windshield, helping you keep your eyes on the road. The Accord Hybrid also offers a premium audio system that delivers crisp and clear sound, enhancing your driving experience. Comprehensive safety features. Safety is a top priority for Honda, and the 2024 Accord Hybrid is equipped with a suite of advanced safety features. Standard equipment includes Honda Sensing, a comprehensive suite of driver assist technologies such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. The Accord Hybrid also features a multi-angle rear-view camera and parking sensors, making maneuvering in tight spaces easier and safer. Sustainability and innovation. Honda is committed to sustainability, and the Accord Hybrid reflects this commitment with its efficient design and eco-friendly features. The hybrid powertrain not only delivers excellent fuel economy but also reduces emissions, making it a responsible choice for environmentally conscious drivers. The Accord Hybrid also features regenerative braking, which captures energy normally lost during braking and uses it to recharge the battery, further enhancing its efficiency. Final thoughts. The 2024 Honda Accord Hybrid is a compelling choice for anyone looking for a stylish, efficient, and technologically advanced sedan. It's designed for those who want the best of both worlds, the fuel efficiency of a hybrid and the comfort and performance of a traditional sedan. Whether you're commuting to work, taking a road trip, or just running errands around town, the Accord Hybrid delivers an exceptional driving experience. Thanks for tuning into the House of Cars. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think about the 2024 Honda Accord Hybrid. Until next time, keep driving in style and stay safe.